everyone. Very good evening on Privacy Bites on DPDP. And with me, I have Karthikeya, who had been working extensively on global privacy regulation and now on DPDP also. So we'll let you know from you, Karthik, how your journey has been for telling clients about DPDP. I know that would be your question that they would be having for you.
So, fantastic journey. Hello, everyone. And thanks, Yogita, for giving me the platform. I think it is very nice to see at least the regulation and the rules coming out because we have been waiting for it. And all the clients are actually talking about that how they would be implementing it right now. So another 18 months, we will see how the privacy landscape changes and how we will see more mature privacy postures coming out from organizations. So looking forward to that. And it's been a excellent journey so far.
Right, fantastic. So do you, when you are consulting to your clients, Karthikeya, what is that one major challenge that you see probably from your past experiences that your clients are going to face, whatever they do?
I think the biggest challenge is the privacy mindset. They have not really thought about privacy ever in their lives. It is not like information security or any other regulation which they would have been doing for some time. But privacy is something in India which is very new to them. So even getting the leadership to understand what are privacy principles, etc., even for training for a lot of these people who are handling data on a day-to-day basis, that's a big challenge for them.
Absolutely. And when you're implementing or probably doing your gap assessments or assessments, right? Do you see a challenge that the stakeholders that you're talking to are a little clueless when you're doing the assessment, maybe from HR, IT, when you're assessing the systems and the business owners that you're talking to? Do you see the challenge and the gap into understanding of privacy regulation there?
Yeah, I think you have hit the nail on the head. It is one of the biggest challenge because the consultant or the person who is taking the interview would know more about it. But then if you don't open up, if you are not knowing your domain so well and doesn't understand what are the privacy risks in your specific domain, whether it is HR, finance, marketing, etc., then it is very difficult to even capture those details with respect to record of processing activities and consent management. So I feel that it is imperative to have that kind of functional knowledge with you, at least some basic level of understanding of privacy.
Absolutely.